Hello everyone, it's Aaron and today is Wednesday, 3rd of March 2021 and I have this stand mixer from Russell Taylor's and I'm going to be opening it. So I have the cutter here. I'm going to just cut through the top. Not very stable. Can't even cut through. Okay, that's, yeah. Alright. So now we're actually introduced to the stand mixer. Here. Well, the reason I got this was because I needed to mix a lot of things and mixing my hand isn't that effective, so I got one. So it comes over here with the mixer, a whisk, dough hook, and a flat beater. So that's cool. And bags. Oh, this is the front actually. It's that. So just actually no, this is the back, and the other side's the front. So it's just some information about it. 1000 watt motor, 5-liter mixing bowl. 3 attachments, anti-skid rubber base, variable speed, that's good. All of them have it. Detachable splash guard, cool. Alright, from the front, pretty basic. Unleash your artisan chef, the artisan chef in you. Okay, so yeah, I'll open it. Okay, so out of the bat we got 2 warranty cards. Thank you for your purchase with us. Okay, it's not really a warranty card, more just like a warranty announcement. Okay. Power stand mixer, or Steelers.com. Alright. Take this out now. Yeah, I'll flip it upside down again. It's quite heavy. Loud. They kept it over here, which is bad. Should have put it in the bowl or something. Yeah, don't know how it fits. So this is our dough hook. Made a really loud noise. It's actually hollow, which is the reason it made that really loud noise. And we got our power plug connected to our thing. We got the flat beater. And what is the other thing? The whisk. Where's the whisk? Okay, the whisk is probably on it, yeah. So, on the mixer is the actual whisk, so, yeah. That's the whisk. And this is the splash guard, which is detachable, I think, so if you slide it, I'm assuming. Okay, I'll try putting it on. Just for, I don't know, so you can take it off. Just like that. The 3 attachments, splash guard, and mixer. You can't push it down until it's held down. That's nice. So we got minimum, medium, max. So this is medium, low, and the different intensities basically. Oh, and over here, it shows you what you should be using each and everything for. So flat beater, I guess cream, whisk for eggs, or making meringue, I guess, and dough to obviously make bread. So this looks really nice. This I got the black color. Oh, this has suction on it. That's what the anti-skid things are. That's nice. Ooh. Okay, that's definitely gonna hold it in place when the motor spins. yeah, that's a mixer. Also Taylor's. Yeah. So this is a 5 liter bowl over here. So you can fill up with 5 liters of anything. Just put it in and rotate to lock it, and it's not going anywhere. And here, of course, is the I don't know what you call that, but basically the thing you added the attachments to transform into a whisk, flat beater, or you know, a dough mixer, I guess. Yeah. So let me just put this on. Actually, the thing I'm going to use the most is this, so I'll put this on. And also the dough, because I'm actually going to make some bread. Alright. So that's in. And this is using a 2-pin plug. So we need an adapter for this here in Malaysia. So in case anyone's watching in Malaysia, you do need an adapter for this. So we do have some, but we're going to set it up later. So I guess that's all. Pretty nice. Can't wait to make some stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.